Alright, today I'm going to go over another strategy for multiplication, which is actually quite similar to the area model. It starts off the same, so let's start off with this one. 456 times 6, this is called partial product. And it actually starts off with separating it, the number with more digits, into expanded form, and then basically we multiply 6 by all of these. So 400, so we can set it up like this. 400 times 6 plus 50 times 6 plus 6 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24, and then we add the 2 zeros here, so it is 2,400, plus 5 times 6 is 30, we add this 1 zero for 50 times 6, so that is 300, and then plus 6 times 6 is 36. Now if I add these, I know that 2400 and 2300 would be 2700, right? Adding 300 to 400, so it would be 2700, plus 36 would be 2736. Alright, so that is 456 times 6, so let's do 28 times 8, 20 plus 8. To split this one up into expanded form, and then basically it is 20 times 8. I like to put these in parentheses just so you know that you're doing the multiplication first, but technically according to order of operations you would do the multiplication first anyway, so you don't have to put the parentheses, but it's just good practice, I would say, just to make it clear that you are going to do the multiplication first before you add them. So this is 20 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. We add the 0, plus 8 times 8 is 64. Now as you guys can see, I know all my multiplication facts, so this is quick for me. I suggest that anyone that does not know all their multiplication facts to go and memorize them, because math will be very hard going from 4th, 5th, up through middle school and high school. You will have a very hard time if you do not know your math facts. Now we just add these up. 0 plus 4 is 4. Oops, sorry. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's 224. Now we can do 363 times 4. So we don't even have to write it in expanded form if you can keep track of what it is. So now we have 60 times 4, and then plus 3 times 4. And just like addition, it doesn't matter which order multiplication is in. So 60 times 4 is the same as 4 times 60. Doesn't matter which way I put it. Okay? So I could write it either way. 4 times 3 is 12. And then I add the 2 zeros, so 1200 plus 6 times 4 is 24, plus a 0 would be 240, and then 3 times 4 once again is 12. Now I just add these all up. Make sure you line up by place value. 0 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, Sorry for that. So that would be 1,452. Now we have 39 times 7. So it's just 7 times 30 plus 7 times 9. So 7 times 3 is 21. Add the 0. 7 times 9 is 63. So we can just add this. So that's 3, 7, and so it is 273. Now I do want to mention, if you were doing something like this, you would actually, partial product is not necessarily a good method, because you would actually have to do, at that point you should probably use the area model if you have 2 digits by 2 digits, because technically for partial product you would have to split both of them, 30 plus 9, and then 70 plus 4, and then you would actually have to multiply 30 by 70 and 30 by 4, 9 times 70 and 9 times 4. And then, so it's a lot easier to just use the area model at that point, because visually it's just easier, right? And you'd set it up like this. So in this one it would be 70 times 30, which I guess we could just do it, is 2100, because we're adding the zeros. 9 times 7 is 630, because we're adding the 0. 9 times 4 would be in this one, so 9 times 4 is 36, and 3 times 4 is 12, plus a 0 would be 120. Now we have to add all of these up. 2100, 630, 120, 36. So partial product really only works well when you're multiplying by 1 digit. Otherwise it starts to get confusing, and you should use area model, or what I will show you in another video, which is just the standard algorithm. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, so that would be 2,886. Alright, so hopefully that was helpful in showing you how to do partial product, and why you should only do partial product if you are multiplying by 1 digit.